welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm reaching out to the Central Oregon firefighters with this knowledge that I've gained here on my property. You see here, this is the grasslands, all right? So when we're talking about fires, right, a lot of the fires are started from lightning strikes, okay, as you well know, in wild areas, and then those become wildfires, and depending on what the situation is on the ground is depending on what that fire is, how bad it's going to be, how fast it's going to go, okay? So right now in Central Oregon, we have millions of acres of land that is severely degraded grasslands, okay? This is not a high desert, this is steppe, okay? So what you're looking at here, what you're looking at all over here, minus the junipers I haven't got out of here yet, is what this is supposed to look like. Now, if a lightning hits right here, right now, in the spring, which the majority of the lightning is in the spring or early summer, or actually this is early summer, excuse me. Even once this is solid, getting this level grass to burn uncontrollably is not easy. A lightning strike just isn't going to set. If it hit the cheat grass here, it would have a little bit better start. But once this is filled with perennials and really thick, like you'll see here, like it is around the edges, okay, the fire is not going to spread in this type of stuff versus what is just right there, okay? Now, right next to my property looks a lot better than a lot of this stuff because my property is influencing this with the pollens and the seeds. But you all know as well as I do what this is and what it looks like and the varying degrees that this is, okay? This isn't what it's supposed to look like. Although you've been looking at this your whole life, this isn't what it's supposed to look like. That's what it's supposed to look like. Even better than that, to be honest. This is just getting repaired, okay? So now, as a firefighter, do you want to fight lightning strike fires in this? Or do you want to fight lightning strike fires in that? And quite frankly, this needs to be burned out every 3 to 5 years. So fighting the fire is just making sure that it doesn't go too far. You know, just let it burn. It's really quite that simple, okay? So what we need from the firefighters is for the firefighters to say, hey, listen, we need to, in the off season, get at these junipers and these sages and get them up out of here and turn all these millions of acres back into grasslands to make their job easier. That's just one of the benefits to doing this work. Like, subscribe, peace.
Thank you for watching my video.